UK Broadband is a UK operator. We're the largest holder of spectrum in the UK. We've got spectrum in the 3.5, 3.6 bands, so we own 124 megs of LTE band 42 and 43 spectrum. What we decided to do, given that data is taking off phenomenally, is actually use that to deploy TD-LTE. And we're using TD-LTE because most data is asynchronous, and therefore TD-LTE is optimized for doing that. We switched the network on in February of this year, and last week we announced we're offering now, in addition to wholesale services we've been offering, commercial services now broadband in Swindon, Reading and London South Bank. Yes, it gives us an advantage. We can optimise our service for what people need, and we're also very neutral. We can sell our services to whomever. And for us, it's really understanding what the problem is people need to fix, and then designing and delivering the solution to fix that problem, be it providing for enterprises or providing for offload for other people where they need data, and delivering high-speed data to people where and when they need it. TD-LTE, the ecosystem, is being driven a lot by what's happening in India, what's happening in China, what's happening in Japan. We're very active members of the GTI, which is the group driving TD-LTE across the world. We've set up an interest group for 3.5 and 3.6 to get everyone together in the world who's got it, and almost every country has 3.5 and 3.6 upshoot. And we're working with them to define specifications for devices and work with device manufacturers, people who produce chips, to actually get the devices out there and working. The ecosystem's started to develop. We've already got devices which are indoor fixed modems, we've got devices which are outdoor fixed modems, we'll get MiFi devices shortly, and we're expecting a smartphone device by the end of next year, by Christmas of next year. People become more aware of what 4G can deliver. I mean, they will see what comes from FD-LTE, they'll see how it's optimized for what it's optimized for. We in TD-LTE will deliver higher speeds, we'll be able to concentrate in the data market. It'll mean that people become more aware of it, and we'll help and support other people as they try and deploy 4G LTE as they go forward. It's quite interesting, the technology, like new technologies, we've got teething problems, but I've had less teething problems with this technology than I've had for previous GSM or other technologies that I've launched. So for me, it's actually making sure we understand what real customers need and explain to them what the benefits of TD-LTE are and what the benefits of the services are. Actually for services, because people don't buy technology, and making sure that we can deliver against their service expectations and make sure we give the right expectation to people. Too often in our industry, people talk about headline speeds, they talk about things that people will never see. For us, it's really making sure that what we tell people is what they'll get, so that they're always expecting the service and we deliver what we tell them we'll give them.